everybody, today I have a special guest with me.
Hi, I'm Nurdan, and subscribe to my channel and hers, and my channel is named Nurdan Segments.
I will put her channel in the description down below. And today I got another package, squishy package, and yeah, let's open it up. So I got the jumbo panda bun. I'll take it out. And so here it is. It's the one with the tongue sticking out. It's really squishy. I will take it out of the package. Not coming out. It's 6 stick. I don't know what it smells like. You squish it. So it's really squishy
And sticky.
Yeah. So it smells like something familiar. I don't know.
It's really cute.
Yeah, but I feel like the paint might come off because like it has wrinkles in the paint. And then it has really good texture in the back. It's like a cookie. And
looks like a cake. Do you guys see it? It looks like a cake.
And if you don't know like the options, they had the ones the tongue sticking out. They had the one with the bow, red or pink. They had just a regular one with nothing, which is called a boy face. So yeah, it comes with a cell phone strap. But I just wish it would come with a tag. So that's that. So
it looks so cute. So cute. I dropped it. So, do you guys see it? It looks like a cake on this side. Do you guys even see that? Do you see it?
Yeah.
It looks like a cake. Like you can do it with more like cake.
So I really like this. If you don't like sticky stuff, it's already coming like a little bit off. But if you don't like sticky stuff, like sticky squishies, then I don't think you should buy this. But it's super like slow rising, and I love it. So
definitely like and subscribe to this channel.
bye.